Hey guys, RC Bros Productions here. Here's a quick update video on my Traxxas T-Maxx 3.3. I just got a brand new OS21 TM engine installed in it, so it has not been broken in yet. It probably won't be happening until March or April, until temperatures can get up into the 50s or 60s for break-in, just so it's a proper break-in procedure. Not good to do it in the cold. And I also cleaned up the truck really nice because it was completely covered in dirt. I had to do a complete tear down the whole truck. I wanted it to look nice with the new engine, so it does, and everything's real fresh and clean on it. And the underside, it's all clean. So this thing is ready to go for the 2021 season, and this engine is going to be great. I've heard these things are very powerful, reliable, great engines for this truck. I can't wait to get this thing running. I think I will be doing a video on the break-in of this engine. It's going to be pretty nice. Also, here's the old 3.3 right here that was in it. It was time to get rid of it. It wasn't running right, and 3.3s aren't not the nicest engine, and it was time. I've always wanted to have one of these in here, so yeah, that's going to be great for the 2021 season. So expect a lot of videos on this vehicle. Thanks for watching.